This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Tom Friends game not working on your smartphone. If you are experiencing any challenge with your Tom's Friends game app, maybe the app can't open, or it takes too long to open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first method, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do this, just go ahead and long press on it and then choose this second option, app info. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Here we are on the app info page for my Talking Tom Friends app, and we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. If I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data or files on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. At this point, restart your smartphone. As you can see, the cache files have been cleared. Restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app, and this should fix most of the problems that you were experiencing. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and tap on clear data. Again, this time around now, choose clear all data and OK. For this, you need to go ahead and log in afresh for you to start using this app. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and go to the third method, and that is look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. In my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and then look for the app. And as you can see, here is my app. Now from here, look for any update if it is available, and then update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your game app is malfunctioning is because you might be using an outdated version of Tom Friends app that is not supported. By updating, you'll also be able to fix issues and errors that might be associated with the older version of your game app. Once this is done, now go ahead and tap on play to start playing it, and this should have fixed most of your problems. But should this game maybe continue with crashing whenever you try to open it, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this game app completely and then install it afresh. By doing this, you'll be able to fix or to remove all the bugs that might be associated with your app. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to my Talking Tom Friends app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.